Welcome to the Starchive New Features video. Find, manage, and share your media. With this release, we have completely revamped Starchive user permissions. Because of these upgrades, you now have much more control over what users can see and do within your Starchive. First, let's go to the Starchive members page. Being the owner of the Starchive, you have all permissions available and are the only user that can view the account details page. Here, you can change your plan to accommodate more users as your Starchive grows. Now let's invite a new member. After entering the information of the new invite, you can choose their permissions. A user with total access can upload, edit, organize, share, and delete files, even those uploaded by other friends and colleagues within the Starchive. You can then select whether the user can manage members. If someone has permission to manage members, they are able to invite new users, activate, deactivate, and change the permissions of existing members. If you want to more closely control a new user's permissions, you can add them with limited access. By default, users with limited access can upload files into your Starchive and have complete control over those files. They will not be able to see, edit, or delete files that anyone else has uploaded. You can then choose if the new user will be able to see files that other users have uploaded. With this option selected, you then determine if the user can edit others' files and whether you can download and share those files. Back at the members page, all users of the Starchive are listed, including the owner. If I made a mistake and want to cancel the invite I just sent, I can click the Cancel Invite button. You can see the permissions level of each member under each person's name and email. Clicking this button will deactivate the user, which will restrict them from accessing your Starchive. Deactivated users can easily be reactivated lower on the list. We have also made changes to the permissions of collections. When you first create a collection, it is private, and only you can view the files organized within it. To add all members of your Starchive, click the Add Everyone button, or you can select individual users. Member permissions within your collection can be chosen in the exact same way as when inviting a new user to your Starchive. After creation is complete, all members who have access to the collection can be seen on the main collection page. You can easily remove specific users by clicking here, or even remove all users of the collection by clicking the Manage button and selecting Remove All Members. Lastly, let's take a look at folder permissions. By default, anyone who has access to view others' files will be able to access all folders and the files within your Starchive. This includes anyone with total access or limited access with can see other people's files. You can add members who have limited permissions by right-clicking a folder and selecting Add or Manage Members. Just as in collections, you can edit the user permissions within the specific folder. The users you add to a folder will have access to the files and the folders within it, but not any of the folders or files at the same level or parent folders. And those are the new features in Starchive. Create, find, share, repeat.